Hello students, in this video we are going to study the exercise of chapter 1. The chapter name is Who Will Do This? Class 5 subject EVS. So before starting the exercise, let me recall what we had learned in the chapter. So in the chapter, the starting one story is given to you about Meena and Chintu. From that story we had learned that we should be regular in our study. Then after we had seen what is primary duty and some of the primary duties that we should follow. Then we had seen what is good habits and bad habits and some of the example of that good habits and bad habits. Then we had seen what is public property and some examples of public properties in your surroundings. Then we had learnt one fact about hand washing day, that it is celebrated on 15th October. And then after we had seen these different steps to wash our hands clean. Then we had learned the importance to keep our environment healthy and clean. Then we learned the importance of trees and waters. Then we had seen some activities which are polluting our environment. So now let me start with the exercise. First we will see the exercise in the textbook. Some of the question you had already written, however we are studied it again in this video. So starting from the page number 3 in your textbook. First question is given to you that which other primary duties should be followed. So the different primary duties that should followed by us are to save water, we have to save electricity, to plant a tree, to pay attention to personal hygiene, we have to keep ourselves clean and neat, that means hygienic. Then after to help people in need, a person who need help, we should help them. Then after to respect the parents, teachers and elders. The next duty is to keep surrounding clean, to keep the school and home neat and tidy. And then after to utilize our amenities, that means facilities, wisely. We have to use the facilities which we are getting wisely and properly. So these are the primary duties that should be followed. The next question is on the page number 5. On that page number, first question, which are the public properties? So the public properties that we had seen in the picture of page number 4, that are gardens, temple and mosque, flag post, trees, benches and river, that are the public property in the page number of 4. The next question is public properties in your surroundings. This answer you can write by your own. I had written in the public properties which I found in my surrounding. So that are post office, police station, hospital and bus station. These all are the public properties. Anyone can use this. It is not owned by a single person. The next question answer on the page number 6. From these pictures you have to answer. So let me see the first answer. What is good in both the pictures? So you can see that the lady is sweeping the floor and throwing the waste in the dustbin. So this is good in the given pictures. The next is what is wrong in the both the pictures. So in one picture the lady is throwing some waste on the floor and that makes the environment dirty. So the lady is throwing some waste on the floor making the environment dirty. So that is wrong in the picture, and because of that a kid or a boy which is living nearby that lady is fall sick. The next question is where do you dispose of the rubbish of your house? So we dispose of the rubbish from our house into the dustbin. The next question is what is the arrangement for the disposal of street rubbish? So for street disposal, door-to-door compost collection vans have been arranged by the local officials, or you can say by local municipalities. They had arranged the door-to-door compost collection vans or garbage collection vans, and our street garbage get disposed in that van. The next question is, where do you release dirty water of your house? So we have drainage facility for releasing dirty water from our house. So we are not releasing the dirty water in open area. We have drainage facility to release the dirty water of our house. The next question answer on the next page. From these pictures you have to answer that questions. So let me see the first question. What do you see in the first picture? So as we discussed, Amit has planted a plant, but his friend Rahul is not interested in such type of activity. That can be seen in the first picture. The next question is, what is Amit doing? So you can see that Amit is trying to explain Rahul about keeping our environment green and clean, and he is explaining the importance of tree to the Rahul. So you can write this answer and you have to write these answers. The next question is, what did Rahul do after the plant had been uprooted? So Rahul is feeling sad by seeing that the plant is uprooted. The next question is, what should Rahul actually do? So Rahul should help in planting more trees. He should plant a tree. The next question is, what do you do to look after the garden? This answer you can write by your own. I had written that we look after our garden by protecting it from animals. Then after enabling it in getting proper sunlight, you have to make sure that your plants in the gardens get enough sunlight, and then you have to water it from time to time. So by watering it from time to time, this is how we can look after the garden. The next question answers on the next page. In that same, by this picture you have to answer the questions. In that first question is page number 8, question 1. What do you observe in the first picture? So you can see that a boy has come near a hand pump to get water, and he is filling the bucket with properly. He is not wasting the water at all. So now next question is, what do you observe in the second picture? So there is two women come to get water, but they are busy in talking and water is being wasted. In the second picture you can see that there are two women came to come or collect the water, but they are busy in talking with each other and the water is being wasted. They didn't notice that their pot has been already filled with the water and water is wasting. The next question is, which things do you consider proper in both the pictures and why? So water should not be wasted. Why? Because as it is a very precious. We should not waste the water because it is a very precious source from the nature. The next is, list down the activities where the water is saved and wasted in your surroundings. So you can write this answer by your own. Here the first activity is given to you, that activity in which water waste or there is the water wastage. So by opening the tap while brushing the teeth. Some of you are keeps the tap open while you are brushing your teeth. So that is the wastage of water in that activity. So you should close the tap while brushing your teeth. The next activity, the activity in which water save or you can save the water. So by closing the tap properly, you can save the water. You can write the other activities also which you have found in your surrounding to save water and in the activities in which the water is wasting. Next question answer, that is from page number 10. In that first one, what do you do out of this activity? That activity which are given on the previous page, that is at page number 9, and why you will do that, and you have to note down the reason also. So first activity, in what do you do. So I will play music at lower voice. What you will not do? So I will not play music at louder voice. Why? Because it causes noise pollution. So you have to play music. If you want to listen the music, then you have to play the music at lower voice, because it is causing the noise pollution. The next activity, that what do you do? So I will throw the garbage in dustbin. In the column, what do not do? What you do not do? So I will not throw the garbage on the road. Why? Because it causes land pollution and it harms our environment. So you should not throw the garbage on the road or on the floor. The next question, what other duties should be obeyed to preserve, or you can say to save the environment? So by conserving the water, that means by saving the water you can save the environment, or you can preserve the environment. By saving electricity, by planting the trees, and by using reusable bags. The items which you can reuse, you should reuse that items to preserve or to save our environments. So these are some of the duties that we should follow to preserve our environment. So here the exercise of textbook gets over. You have to write this exercise in your textbook. Now let me see the exercise in the notebook and how you have to write this chapter in the notebook. So let's start the chapter 1. Who will do this? So in that, first you have to write the hard words. Let me dictate the hard words. The first one is irregular. Next, educate. Then primary. Fourth number, facilities. Then maintain. Next is amenities. Then wisely. 8 number is rationally. Then next is garbage. 10 number, individual. 11 property, and 12 number, that is license. So these are your hard words. The next question, that is answer the following questions. In that first question, what is primary duty? So the responsibility of an individual to preserve and maintain their surrounding is primary duty. The responsibility of an individual, that means one person, to preserve or to save and maintain their surrounding is the primary duty. And it is our primary duty to utilize or to use our amenities, that means the facility which we are getting, that is wisely and rationally. That means you have to first think, and then after you have to use that properly and wisely. So these are the primary duty. Now let me see some primary duties. So which other primary duties should be followed? So the other primary duties should be followed are, first one is that do not cut trees. Then after, next duty is do not pluck flowers from the garden. The next duty is do not scribble on the walls of your home, school, or any other public property. Scribble, that means you do not have to write or draw the painting on the walls of your school, home, or any other public property. So these are the primary duties that we should follow. The next question is, what is public property? So any facility which is not owned by any individual but it is used by everyone is a public property. Anyone can use that property, that is known as public property. The next question is, which are the public properties? You have to give some of the examples of public properties. So some public properties are garden, temple, mosque, river. After this you can write what we had written in the textbook, that is benches, also then flag posts, that are also the public properties. The next question is, name some public properties in your surroundings. So some public properties in our surrounding are post office, police station, hospital, and bus station. These are the public properties which are found in our surrounding. The next question is, when is hand washing day celebrated? So hand washing day is celebrated on 15th October. The next question is, in which city the habit of disposing garbage in ditches, that means in pits, big pits out of the city, was first established? So in Athens, the habit of disposing garbage in ditches out of the city was first established. In Athens, it was first established, or it was discovered first. The next question is, in which country you require license to buy television? So in England, a person require license to buy a television. In England, you will require license to buy a television. So here the exercise of our first chapter gets over. In the next video, we'll see the next chapter. Thank you.